So I have two sons that play baseball, and these are their pants after the weekend's games. And you can see there's dirt, there's grass stains, who knows what, and one is white. And this is the fastest way we found to completely clean their baseball pants with no chemicals, no soap or anything. You will need this power washer, or really any kind of power washer. And this is my husband. He's doing it. It's raining. Sorry, I couldn't get a good angle because it's pouring rain. I didn't want to go out in the rain and get wet. But he's using the power washer at the lowest setting that he has on this machine. I forgot what it was. But yeah, and he's just spraying it out. There's no soap or anything. You do have to kind of step on it so it doesn't, like fly away with the pressure. But it was so amazing. This is the first time we tried it. Every other time my husband has used the Fells naphtha soap and like a handheld like spin brush, a motorized spin brush, and that worked well too, but that still took him at least half an hour of scrubbing. And this took 5 to 10 minutes with, actually 5. When I recorded this, it was only 5 minutes, and maybe 5 minutes just to set up the hose and plug in the power washer. But other than that, super easy and quick, and I highly recommend you try this. I know at first you think you're gonna like ruin the pants, but even with the hole in the pants, we thought maybe it's gonna make the hole bigger. It did not. So that was pretty amazing. And we have 3 pairs of pants, sometimes 4 every weekend. So this really helps us out. You have to see how it works on the white pants though. That is truly amazing. So I'll fast forward to that. So my younger son was sliding in the grass. So if you see like on the knee part, there's little green areas, it's because he was sliding in the grass. And I was really doubtful that the grass stains would come out because I think that's what we have the hardest time with. I mean, besides the red dirt. And it totally came out so amazing. Like nothing else has worked. I mean, the Fells naphtha and half an hour to an hour of scrubbing worked, but that is not something I want to do for sure, especially on a Monday or after the weekend of baseball. So I hope this video helps you or whoever does the laundry in your house out. Please let me know of any other tips and tricks that are really easy like this. We do travel for baseball sometimes, and of course you can't bring your power washer. So then we're gonna have to bring our electric spin brush, and I will post a photo of it at the end so you know what I'm talking about. But thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.